Hello guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. This time we are having a question on limits. We have we are to find the value of this limit as x is tending towards a 0. So guys, there's no much time to waste. Let's get to it. So we have a solution. Let me take down the question. I have the limit of 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of 3 minus x minus 12 all over 3 to the power of minus x over 2 minus 3 to the power of 1 minus x as x approaches 2. Now, the first thing we notice by careful observation is that substituting or putting 2 directly into the numerator and denominator will result in 0 over 0. And we know that division by 0 is not possible, and so this is undefined. Okay, this becomes undefined. So since we know that by directly substituting 2 into the limit, we are getting an undefined value. So what do we do? What we need to do now is to attempt to break this down by finding ways to factorize. Okay, so what we're going to do is to first rewrite the expression in this form. I have the limit of 3 to the power of x, so I'm going to rewrite this plus 3 to the power of 3 over 3 to the power of x minus 12 divided by 1 divided by 1 over 3 to the power of x over 2 minus 3 to the power of 1 over 3 to the power of x as x is tending to 2. So what I'm going to do now is that having done this, let's say let m equal to 3 to the power of x over 2. Okay? So if that's the case, squaring both sides, I'm going to get m squared equal to 3 to the power of x over 2 squared, and which these 2 and 2 will cancel out. So we have m squared equal to 3 to the power of x. So what this means is that whenever I will have 3 to the power of x, we just simply substitute m squared there. Okay, so if we go by that, this expression now becomes the limit of m squared plus 27 over m squared minus 12 all over 1 over m minus 3 over m squared as. So now we are not going to be having x again since we have moved over from x to m. So the limit, the variable now is m. So we are going to change what we have to m, so that the limit is now going to be m tends to 1. So what will be the value of m here? So since x is 2, so it means that since x is 2, it means that m squared will be equal to 3 to the power of 2, which is 9. So what does that give us as m? So it means that if m squared equals to 9, then it means that m equals to square root of 9. Just take the positive value, okay? So that will be square root of 9 in this case. So that is easy. Even from there, we can see that m will be equal to 3. So that means as m is tending towards 3. Alright. So let's go back. Let's just keep this here. Now let's go back here. So now, if we're resolving things at the numerator, we are going to have, since we have m squared here, so the numerator now becomes m to the power of 4 plus 27 minus 12m squared all over m minus 3 as m tends to 3. So what will happen? So at this junction, structure, we can't just do direct substitution, because when it comes to limit, there are various rules, and you want to, as much as possible, avoid direct substitution, because even from here, direct substitution of 3 is going to give us it's going to make the denominator 0, which will still give us undefined. Okay, it becomes undefined. So what we need to do is to kind of deal with the numerator. So how do we deal with the numerator? Let me say factorize numerator, factorize m to the power of 4 plus minus 12m squared plus 27. So factorizing that, so what I'm going to do to make it easy is to say let a equal to m squared. So whatever we see m squared, so it means that this now becomes, so this now will become m squared minus 12m plus 27. So if I factorize this, this will give me m squared minus 9m minus 3m plus 27. This will further give me m bracket m minus 9 minus 3 bracket m minus 9. And so what I'm going to have is now I'm going to have that to become, to be m minus 3, we have m minus 3 and m minus 9. And don't forget, m is okay, we're supposed to be using a squared rather. Okay, we're supposed to be using a squared. So what we're going to have now will be a minus 3 times a minus 9. And of course, we've said that a should be m squared. So this is going to be m squared minus 3 times m squared minus 9. So, and this will further become m squared minus 3 times m squared, m plus n 3 and m minus 3. Yes, because this is a difference of 2 squares. So what this means is that the whole of this numerator now will become limit of, so I'm going to replace this numerator by what we have here, m squared minus 3 times m plus 3 times m minus 3 all over m minus 3 as m approaches 3. Because you can see now that there is a common factor of m minus 3 cancelling out each other. So the limit now will be m squared minus 3 times m plus 3 as m is approaching 3. So this now will become, so we have the limit now becomes 3 squared minus 3 times 3 plus 3. So 3 squared is 9, 9 minus 3 times 6. So that will give us 6 times 6. So the limit is 36. The limit is 36. Therefore, we can conclude that the limit of 3 to the power of x 3 to the power of x 3 to the power of x plus 3 minus 3 to the power of 3 minus x minus 12 all over 3 to the power of minus x divided by 2 minus 3 to the power of 1 minus x, as x is tending to 2 is equal to 36. So that is the result of the limit. It's equal to 36. So that's the result of the limit, guys. So I'll see you in my next video. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, and then most importantly, turn on the notification bell so that once I drop another amazing video, you'll be the first to watch. Okay, so I'll see you. Thank and God bless.